Okay, it's another day. Made it over to Yassi's. We're just loading up everything and kind of getting everything ready to go. But she wants to show me something that she just did to her trunk, which is something I really need to do. So let's see this thing.
All right,
I want to see it.
Let's go.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yep. And then I put lights in the flowers.
Fuck, I'm not gonna win. Oh, that's sick. I actually, yeah, okay, good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Where'd you get those lights?
It's a secret.
It's just, okay, fine. You need to go. Okay.
Okay.
Well, thank you for washing the car.
You're welcome.
This is Yassi's mom, if you guys haven't
Oh
met
my
her.
gosh. Tell me to take my way.
She washed the car for me while I was here, so big thank you for that.
Oh, my pleasure.
And I need to jump her car or use yours to jump.
Yes.
So I need to do that now. And you need to leave. Oh. They washed the car, it looks amazing. So I gotta get a jump though. For some reason the battery's like completely dead. So we're gonna get it jumped real quick and hopefully keep it running long enough to make it to Monroe or get gas if we need to, and then kind of go that route. So we'll do that real quick.
So what do you think?
Of the trunk?
Yeah.
It's fucking sick.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Guess I need to go a little higher. There we go. So we're gonna clean up, we're gonna vacuum I think a little bit on the inside. We have to drop by B&W for some parts, but other than that, we're on our way to the show. Hopefully it's gonna be a good day. It's a little cloudy out. I was hoping it was gonna be a sunny day today, but if it is cloudy, oh well, because that's perfect for filming. And that means I don't have to use any special equipment like an ND filter. That's dope. All right, see you guys there. Well, we made it to the event and everything has gone to shit with the camera gear. So no cinematic video, but at least we made it to the show. I'll try to get some shots at least on this, but my Ronin's not balancing right, and the Atamos for my screen is not working. So things have failed once again. I can't seem to get shit to work, and I'm frustrated.
Hi, bitches!
I'm super frustrated. So given that, we'll just do some regular shots with this, but other than that, another letdown. Woo!
It's okay.
that's loud. Hopefully that cinematic clip actually looks decent, but we'll see since I didn't have any of the gear available at the time. But which way are we going? Are we going over there? I don't know. We're gonna go watch some of the action, and I'll clue you guys in a little bit of what we're watching and stuff like that. But other than that, we're gonna enjoy the day, and we do have news later on at the end of this video, so do not leave yet. But we'll see you guys later. He's so concerned about winning the award.
I'm so tired.
He's so intense.
He's got that.
He's waiting for this best Subaru. He just wants to win the fitment.
It is the 2015 Silent Everest, Jason Helmick. Best stance to the area of stance sports. Driving the 2008 Porsche Cayman.
Wow!
I want to say, we all told you.
I knew you were gonna win. That's why you
It's like I'm not coming over there. I'm not winning.
Exactly. It was a good.
Driving the 1992 Mazda Miata, Justin Roman.
Hey, Justin.
Oh, man, this is